up, we got many tickets from Alvarado, right here in his own town. 95 Dodge 3500 to see what he can do.
And a special thanks to NADM. Go visit their website, runnadm.com. A lot of these guys are members of NADM.
Also, Bobby, don't forget to check out the outlawdra.com website for all your outlaw racing needs and events and things just like this one tonight.